Okay guys, we're here now in Del Monte Kitchenamics again. And now we use a
Hi,
Nestle
Kuya!
apple.
Oh, my friends. Consistent na pa ito. Oh, go.
I will do a commercial on this sachet of juice. As you can see guys, this is Nestle apple. And when you heard the say apple, what first comes things on your mind?
It's a fruit!
Very good! And the second one is
Lechon!
very good also. And when you heard the fruits
Meso,
of
meso.
apple, definitely there is a lechon. We have a lechon festival here. Using this Nestle apple, they say, "Nasa ng apple?"
Where is the apple?
Where is the apple? Here's the apple, and that is the lechon. Tama na.
Gawa ka rin commercial.
What is the sense of that Nestle iced juice?
Oh, good question. The essence of being a Nestle apple blend is rich in vitamins such as, and don't you know, good to know that 1 glass of Nestle iced tea meets your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, vitamin E, and also vitamin C.
Why double vitamin C?
Because it's rich in vitamin C.
Lama. It's rich. Very well said.
And it also have a lycopene. And
What?
don't you know lycopene is good for our heart? It may reduce the risk of certain cancer. Baka malunok pa. And,
Tapos magpasalamat ka na para...
There's more?
but wait! There's more! I forgot that. Thank you for that.
Remind me.
Remind me. And Nestle apple is made from Philippines. Is there have like this in the USA? Like Nestle apple? Oh, really?
Like
Oh, apple pie, banana pie, pizza pie. Yes. American pie.
Cherry pie. Cherry pie Pikachu.
Blueberry pie, etc. etc. etc.
Wala ka pakit.
Thank you ka na.
Thank you for Nestle Apple Blend for this commercial. And this commercial is brought to you by... Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna. This potion is brought to you by...
Bye-bye.
Ikaw muna.